Okay, so we are talking about dependent clauses, which dependent clauses are not full sentences, they're like only a portion. And then we are talking about independent clauses. Now those are full sentences. They can stand alone. So when you're writing more complex English sentences, you'll run into this problem. Sentences that are a combination of dependent and independent clauses. Now you can have two independent clauses like we discussed on your conjunctions video, in which you have one sentence, then a comma, then a conjunction like and, but, or, because, or so, and then have another independent clause or full sentence. So let's write a sentence and take a look at what these clauses are. Charles went to the park. So we're familiar with this sentence. That is one full sentence. So Charles went to the park is an independent clause. And fed the birds. Fed the birds is not a full sentence. It is not an independent clause. So it is a dependent clause. So we have Charles went to the park is an independent clause, and then fed the birds is a dependent clause. So if you put these together, it makes a full sentence with a period on the end. So it's good English, it's good English grammar, but you see that one side on the left, Charles went to the park, is an independent clause, which is a full sentence. And then on the right side of the conjunction, fed the birds is a dependent clause. It is not a full sentence. Okay, so if we change the sentence, Charles went to the park, comma, and he fed the birds, now we have two independent clauses, because Charles went to the park is a full sentence and he fed the birds is a full sentence too. They can both stand alone and be a sentence by themselves. So this is an example of dependent and independent clauses.